Okie dokie. Hello and welcome. I know. All right then. Hi guys.
Solid intro.
Good on you, dude.
What's up, crew? It is definitely a down day today. I'm going to show you outside. It's dumping. We are here in our pad in Colorado right now. We've had a couple of good days. I hope you guys have enjoyed everything since the new year. This is going to be episode number 9. Danny?
It is.
Episode number 9? Yeah.
Correct.
Episode number 9. Danny's working on it right over there. Hi, mate. Yes, there he is. We're chilling. We got Jossie Wells over here. Name drop, plug, cameo appearance for the dude. Hello.
What up?
Sipping on a brew. Yes, we're all sipping on our teas. Cheers, mate. Come on. I was told I was going to say this. A couple of years ago, this probably would have been a mimosa, wouldn't it? But now we're trying to take care of ourselves. Danny's busy. How is the edit looking anyway, mate?
I'm still looking for a song.
Yeah?
It's the most time-consuming part of any video. Is finding music.
Yeah, I can imagine. I'm sorry. But good on
Start
that.
making your own music.
Yeah.
Maybe you could rap now with
Yo! For reals,
Put
though.
this in his head. It took me so long to get his rap song from Austria out of his head.
Anyway, we'll check back in with you in a bit, Donny, when she got a song going. Let you guys know what's going on. Jossie, any words? You know?
words.
How was your New Year?
New Year was good. I was back home in New Zealand.
Mhm.
It was sunny and warm, and I had a blast. And now I'm back in Colorado where it's cold and snowing.
Yes, that's a very good point. Yeah. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Oh, mate, of course. Look at the state of outside right now.
You'll be able to see that.
Yeah, mate, they can... You're right.
No, not like that.
I can't do it.
Tosser, give it to me.
But it's just... I think the idea is that it's...
There you go.
It's a wide...
There you go, now you
How are
can
you going
see
to done that? Look at the wind. It's bottom line.
You
is
actually
it's
can't see the wind,
outrageous,
but if you do that, you can see how windy and shocking it is out there. Can you?
Oh, I have something
Not really.
to show you as well. This is what I got for Christmas. Now, up there is like all the places in the galaxy that I've visited, and on this planet.
Shut it up. I don't know
Do you wanna
anything you're
fight?
talking about. Oh, Danny. I'm chopping your head off.
Yeah, I know, I'm scared.
How sick is it, dude?
This is intense. Yes, son.
How crazy is it now without it?
It's so legit.
I don't like the selfie mode, but I have to check that. I think it's good. I think we're straight. Anyway, it's been a good morning. We've done a little bit of stretching with the man, Jossie. Jedi mastered a little bit too, which is epic. I just earned the rank of Padawan, so I'm working on it. Anyway, how are we doing now, dear?
Good. Good, thank you. I think I finally found a song.
At the station. At Nerd Station. I didn't mean that.
That's where I live.
Awesome. Look how dirty my screen is compared to yours. Alright, let's do this because we're running out of battery.
Do you want to hear the maybe song for this video?
I do. It's just a maybe song though.
Can you film yourself, your reaction,
reaction
like real?
cam. Good point.
Well, not me so much, but you. Oh wait,
Can't hear it.
Headphones are plugged in.
Look at this. What is this?
Plugged in.
Okay. Oh, it's nice. It's spacey. I actually dig it.
It's kind of epic.
Yeah, it's pretty epic.
What do you reckon?
what the f is that? It's like a headwind, and then as soon as you get to the inrun, it flicks to a tailwind.
Honestly, I was going big and I landed and I looked up and you were above me.
Yeah, I'm glad you put that in, because that's what's weird. Like that, one, it really happened. Two, that angle doesn't do it justice because we both went massive. You know, like there's no landing left there at all, and that really hurt. And I try not to make a big fuss too often, but that was sore. And we're a couple of days later in the Matrix right now, and I'm feeling that. But I'm glad you put it in, because that's what it's about, is being like, what happened on the day. And I like you went back to it too. I'm down. What else we got? It's fine, I'm fine. It's more I know that my back is now going to be in a really bad way. Well, you're going straight in. You're wild, man. Okay.
Like a car battery in here in case you install. What is that?
Thank you for carrying that.
Give me, stop jiggling that. Give me this.
That was aggressive.
I meant thank you for carrying the bag. Jiggling it around. What did you think?
It was great.
Impressed?
Excellent. High five. Good boy.
Oh. Yeah, it's good that, man. I think you've done good. Respect.
Thank you.
Yeah. First viewing.
You got the first view.
I got the first view. No, it's good. I think, at first, I think there's a lot of shots in there that aren't perfect, but that's an edit in one day, and that's really what happened. Some of those tricks I didn't grab. That's what happened on the hill that day, right? And I think that's the sort of point that we came out here with, is to it's as real as possible, which I dig hard. And I think, this isn't the end of the season show-stopping banger section. This is like real life, day in the life, and how it goes. So I think you guys are gonna dig that. I mean, I hope. I dig it, but I'm a shower, so I like the sound of my own voice. What can I say?
Well, at least you're honest about it. I think this has probably been the realest video we've done yet.
Could be the title.
Oh,
I think
that would make our life easier.
I think it's a good title.
Think about that.
The titles are hard. It's all hard. It's good hustle though.
Nice one, dude. Thank you.
Rock and roller coaster. Oh, hang on. Wait.
I'm just gonna sit here, you know. Thank you.